Zero. That one is 110. Hands up, hands up. Are all the teams different colors? Yeah. Hey, help us out if we call a foul on a girl. Make sure we can. JJ, back, JJ. We have ice back. Let's go, Max. Let's go. Get in the house. You got to sprint right on.
Motion, Lando, high ball. Motion, go in.
We like what you did, you're passing up. Oh, traveling. John! Max, you gotta run, Max, you gotta run. Wow, turn in. There you go. Help.
Good, awesome.
Take care of that ball. Get back, Landon. You gotta hustle. Let's go.
go. Just keep an eye out on him, okay? All right, you come up if anything is clear, okay? All right?
You're going for Landon, cut all the way.
All right, where's Matt? Can you point to me? Isn't that great, sir?
High post, Lando. Inside Julius. Go, Matt. Release. Go, Chelsea. Motion, Landon, high post, Laurent, low post, the block. Great, cut him off. Nice chip. Hey, no more press. Come back to 2-3. Landon, big. Play there. Big, Landon. Oh.
Oh, wait a minute. Shoot the gap there. Go.
Press, Landon, Julius out. Grab someone. Make him turn. There you go, JJ. And one! Good take, boy!
Sprint back, Lando. There you go.
Stay.
Let's go, Young. Sprint. You gotta help.
Stay there, Landon. Shoot the gap.
Hey, somebody on top. Aslan, middle.
Five.
Screen. Let's go.
Attack the ball. Your job, don't stop until our team gets the ball or you get the ball. All right? Free safety.
Oh, get back here. Get around.
Push, Laurent, push, Aslan, clear. He's a shooter.
Wide open, swing it. Swing the ball. Good screen. Right there, Aslan. pass. Ooh, that was a layup. But I'll take it. Right there, to Max, to Max, to Max. Ball control, ball control.
Free safety, LeBron! Free safety, cut him off!
JJ, why are you behind, JJ? You gotta sprint. There you go, go JJ, go JJ.
Hey, you gotta get over it. Good. Get up, champ! Oh! That's good! Your safety! Trust your breath, you're playing the wrong side! Turn up, turn up, turn up! Stop reaching and turn up! Ball control, ball control, watch your back! Watch your back! Sprint, Max! Sprint, Max! You're by yourself. You're by yourself. Oh! Jimmy, press, get on. That's fine. Lazy. Play lazy. Hey, let it go. Let it go.
Give it go, give it go. One more split, one more split.
Turn up. Make it turn.
There you go. The Max right there. You see that when you got the practice? Run on the other side, jump the other side. And hey, get up there for a shot. Go, go up the other side.
Go, let's go! Defense!
Are we running?
Go, run!
Laurent!
Go, right there. JJ, you gotta sprint. Chip, get out of there, Chip. Landon to Landon. Chip, get water so you can come back. Relax.
Run, Landon! Let's go, finish, man!
Come on. That's over here. Good, good. Hey, look at Chip! Look at Chip! Look at Chip! Give him some shot! Hand it, hand it, hand it! Rebound, Chip! That's yours! Max, give it to Chip. Give it to Chip. There it is. I'm taking this Chip. It's alright, it's alright. Get back, get back, get back. Get back, Chip. Get back, Chip. There you go. Oh, stop it. Max! Oh. Chip, stay back here.
Hey, we're going to set the speed on you. I'm holding on.
Aslan, high post, Aslan, high post. Leave it to Chip. He's still going the wrong way. good chip. Good chip. Good chip. Good chip. Good chip right there. Oh, one more. Right there, good chip. Chip is yours. All the way, Chip. All the way. All the way. There you go. Back to Chip. One more. One more. Hey, Max. 3-pointer, Max. Max, 3-pointer, Max. Right there. Chip. Right there. Chip. Get back. Get back, Chip. Get back.
Coach, congratulations, guys.
Can I have the team? Yeah, take a picture.